Hello my friend, Chantal Pons here. Today I have told you in many of my videos that I am a former licensed cosmetologist retired, but I will share with you every time I utilize a tint and low light. I do play a lot with the color dimensional, and that helps bring in some different dimension of color and radiance to your face. So the today color technique is called the smudge root, and the smudge root starts from the root and it goes a little bit about, well, from the bangs is about 3.5 inches, and it goes, I put it all around here, all around the back and here, and of course I have it all the way through. It is a very easy technique because all you do is from the root you go a little bit down, but you don't go all the way down. You keep the light, see, so you hit right here and then right here. And then when you're done, you want to use the glove, because when you're done, you want to work it, work it, work it, work it. Okay? You see, my hair is still blonde. I did not touch. It's just a smudge root. See? So this, my friend, is going to give you an instant face lift. Why? Because you are playing with color. You're playing with two-dimensional color. This is going to be dark, and I create this formula today with two formula from Shazy Q Red Can product. And my objective was to recreate the color of course, the Mojave Desert. So I want this flamboyant red gold right here, and this is going to be very pretty. So if you really like this color, I will link below all the formula for you, and of course I share with you everything. So I hope you enjoy this. I will shampoo my hair as usual and show you the finishing.